You know, when Chalon asked me, "Are you okay?" I said, "Yeah." But the lights of heaven were coming down on the steeple of Lakeside Baptist Church, and I could hear the 144,000 going, "Oh." See, I'd been up to the hospital. I thought I'd overdosed. And I went in there like this, telling them, "Give me them paddles." They showed me the paddles. And they said, "Take your fingers off your neck." And when I did, I didn't die. And so they gave me a shot and sent me home. And Chalon took me home. And he was scared out of his mind. So I went in the house. I had a painting of a naked woman. That night I made love to her. And that morning I got up and I called my mama and I told her, "Hey mama, call Star Magazine. We're fixing to be rich." And she said, "What are you talking about?" I said, "We got aliens in the house." And when she threw a fit, I went up to the grocery store and they couldn't see them. And so I got me a 5-pound bag of flour and I threw it in there. And that manager was going, "No!" And then I went to my mama's and she locked the door at the restaurant or at the barbershop. And then my daddy came home to my house holding a half-gallon of Old Charter. He never drank before 5 p.m. But that day, he was going to have a drink at 12. He was convinced if I was seeing him, he was going to too. My daddy was a great man. And I made it through the day, and he sat there while I looked at aliens and shit, acted like a fucking idiot. He toughed it out. And then I signed myself up to the mental institution. And I went down to the Psych Ward 1 and Living Hope Institute there in Little Rock. I thought I'd lost my fucking mind. And after a week of realizing that I wasn't crazy, I told them I was ready to go. And them sumbitches said, "Nope, you gotta stay." And I showed them what a real asshole was. That really happened. That's the short version of the trip to the mental institution. God bless you, Fluid English. I think I'm gonna get some hair on him.